이 사람은 누구예요? 그게 뭐예요? 저 꽃은 참 예뻐요. Do you exactly understand the meaning of the words 이, 그, and 저? If you are familiar with the Korean language and culture, including K-pop and K-drama, you heard this word a lot. In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down these words 이, 그, and 저. 갑니다. 안녕하세요. What's up, Kim Sam here, and this is Teacher Kim's Korean class, bringing you informative Korean lessons on social media. I have been teaching the Korean language with effective curriculum, so if you're new here, consider subscribing and turn on the notification. I'm bringing you the best lesson twice a week. And we are in a basic grammar curriculum. This is lesson 5, and in this video we are going to be learning Korean expression 이, 그, and 저. I'm gonna talk about the basic meaning of 이, 그, and 저 first. Then I'm gonna introduce 14 most frequent expressions you must know that has 이, 그, and 저. Literally, 이 means this, 그 means that, 저 means that over there. But that is not enough explanation. If you are a serious learner, you have to know the basic concept of these three words. Basically, the word 이 indicating something or someone near the speaker, and the word 그 indicating something or someone near the listener, and the word 저 indicates the something or someone that is not close to the listener and the speaker. Actually, there is a lot of expression with 이, 그, and 저. I can't cover all of them in this short video. Instead, I just want to introduce 14 most frequent 이, 그, 저 words in 3 categories indicating person, place, and object. When Korean indicate person with 이, 그, 저, we usually use 사람, which means person or human. 이 사람, 그 사람, 저 사람. 이 사람 indicates a person near the speaker. So if I want to introduce this guy, I can say 이 사람은 학생이에요. This person is a student. And 그 사람 means a person who is close to the listener. You know, I'm here and you are there watching this video. You and I in the different places, and this person is by my side. I can say this person 이 사람, but if you want to talk about this guy to me, you have to say 그 사람, because I'm the listener, you are the speaker, and this guy is near the listener, so you have to say 그 사람 indicating this person. So I can ask you, 이 사람은 누구예요? Who is this guy? And you can answer to me, 그 사람은 학생이에요. That person is a student. Got it? And 저 사람, as you see he and I in the same place, and we see that person over there. And if I want to talk about that person to him, I can say 저 사람은 한국 사람이에요. Is that person over there a Korean? And he may have different opinion and reply to me, 아니에요. 저 사람은 필리핀 사람이에요. No, that person over there is Filipino. 이 사람, 그 사람, 저 사람. Got it? And if I want to indicate a person politely, we usually use the word 분 rather than 사람. The word 분 means elderly person or someone who holds high social position. Okay, this gentleman is Moon Jae-in. He's president of South Korea. So I want to introduce him to you. He's older than me and he has quite high social position. So I'm gonna use 분 rather than 사람. 이 분은 문재인 대통령이에요. This person is President Moon Jae-in. In the same way, if you are the speaker and I'm the listener, you can ask me, 그분은 문재인 대통령이에요? Is the person President Moon Jae-in? Imagine if you and I in the same place, we see the President Moon on TV. In that situation, we can say each other, 저분은 문재인 대통령이에요. Okay, place. A noun, 곳 is used very often with 이, 그, and 저, indicating places. Like 이곳, 그곳, 저곳. Literally, 이곳 means this place, the place where I am, or the place where I think. So look at me where I am. I can say 이곳은 남산타워예요. This is 남산 Tower. And what about 그곳? 그곳 means the place where the listener is or the listener think. So if I ask you like 이곳은 어디예요? Where I am. And you can answer to me. You are the speaker and I'm the listener. 그곳은 남산타워예요. And you know English words here and there, they are virtually interchangeable with this place and that place. The same Korean expressions are 여기 and 거기. 여기, which means here, is the same meaning as 이곳, and the word 거기, which means there, has the same meaning as 그곳. 여기 and 거기 are more informal expressions. So I can ask you, 여기는 어디예요? And you can reply to me, 거기는 남산타워예요. And the word 저곳 means place over there, the place not near the speaker and the listener. As you see, he and I in the same place, and we find 남산 Tower over there. So I can say to him, 저곳은 남산 타워예요. And in formal way, we can use the word 저기. So I can also say, 저기는 남산 타워예요. That place over there is 남산 Tower. They are the same meaning sentences, right? Object. Okay, let's talk about how to indicate things or object. We use the noun 것 with 이, 그, and 저. 이것, 그것, 저것. You must memorize these words. These words are like English words this or that. You can imagine how often Korean use these words. 이것 means something close to the speaker or speaker's thinking. So here is my phone, so I can say 이것은 휴대폰이에요. This is cell phone. And the informal expression is 이거. 이거는 휴대폰이에요. And 그것 means something near to the listener. So you can tell me about this phone. 그것은 휴대폰이에요. Because I'm the listener and this is mine. And informal expression is 그거. So you can also say in formal way, 그거는 휴대폰이에요. And 저것 means something not near the speaker and the listener. You know, he's by my side and we found something on the table. So I can ask him, 저것은 무엇이에요? What is that over there? And he can answer to me, 저것은 휴대폰이에요. The things over there is cell phone. And informal way is 저거. So if I want to say to him more casual expression, 저거는 무엇이에요? Alright, they are most frequent 이, 그, 저 words in the Korean language. You can also use 이, 그, and 저 with other nouns like 이 사과, 그 나무, 저 의자, etc. etc. You will see many 이, 그, and 저 with other nouns in my curriculum or other textbook or K-drama or K-pop as well. Okay, question of the day. We learned the most 14 frequent 이, 그, 저 words indicating person, place, and things. So I want to ask you to make your own sentence using 이, 그, 저. Can you try that? Leave your sentence in the comment section below. Thank you guys. I will see you in another video. 안녕!